Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Hope you're having a great day. Today is August the 15th, 2022, and we're looking at the festival strawberry. Okay, what you're seeing here is an effort to propagate the festival strawberry. Now, the soil in the pots is mostly just sand, and then at the bottom it's leaves and detritus from oak trees. So what you're looking at here are two successful clones. So we're cloning the mother plants. These are, this festival strawberry is supposed to be like an all year round type of strawberry. We're in zone 9B 10A border of Florida, so it gets very hot here, but the year-round life of this strawberry is what attracted me to it. And the fact that it's heat tolerant and can tolerate the humidity as well, that's what I was after. So if you look here, we have the clones. What had happened is the mother strawberry plant shot off its first runner, and the knuckle formed, and then we put it in the soil, kept it wet each day, and it formed roots, but it continued to run. Second runner did the same thing. Third runner tried to do the same thing, but what had happened here is a squirrel came along and dug this up, and I didn't discover it until it was too late, so tried to salvage it. It doesn't seem to be coming back. Over here we have some new runners coming out. Okay, one knuckle has been formed there. I don't know, can you see that? Oh, let's try to focus. There we go. There's a knuckle, and it seems to be throwing off a secondary runner here, which I've never seen yet, but hey, I'm still learning, and a third runner. So this is exciting because this means I'm going to be able to generate a lot of clones from these festival strawberries, and that's what I want. I want to make a massive strawberry patch. Earlier on in the year, this had produced a couple of little tiny strawberries, which I have a video of. At the top right at the end of this video, you can click on the video playlist link to review the backstory of these strawberries. But anyhow, those strawberries are sweet. They tasted just like store-bought, amazing tasting strawberries. So going forward, this is the strawberry that I want to focus on for my particular location on the planet. And I'm looking forward to the yields that these strawberry plants are going to provide me and my family. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these festival strawberry plants here in my zone in Florida. Have a great day.